Hi, Dick Keenan, Keller Williams Realty and the Keenan Carter Group. As you've probably been hearing through the news, you've heard a lot about the 2018 Tax Reform Act. And I've done quite a bit of research on it, and I wanted to share with you a couple of the items and how they relate to real estate. Of course, we always recommend you talk to your tax advisor to get tax advice from them. But let me share with a couple of things that we have. There's 4 things I want to discuss with you. 2 of them are very positive. One of them is the 1031 tax deferred exchanges. If you're an investor and you have a rental property, you can still exchange that into another piece of property without any tax liability. So that's good. At one time they were considering making a change to that. The second thing is capital gains. At one time in a previous draft of the bill, they wanted you to live in the property 5 of the last 8 years. Well, luckily that didn't make it through. So still it remains the same as last year. If you've lived in the property 2 of the last 5 years, you still are excluded from any capital gains if you're filed jointly and the gain is $500,000 or less. Now the next thing is I want to talk about interest rate deductions. This is going to affect primarily the luxury market because the changes that were made limits the amount of interest rate deduction to $750,000. So if you obtain a loan for $1 million anytime in 2018, they're only going to allow the deduction as if it was a $750,000 loan. So that's going to affect our luxury market to a small degree. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about is the home equity line of credit. They are no longer allowing the interest rate to be deducted for any home equity line of credit unless you can prove that a substantial amount of that equity line is used for home improvement. So those are the big twists relating to real estate. Hope that's helped you a little bit. And if you'd like the printout or further details, please give us a call at 805-773-7711. You can always email us through our website, which is KeenanCarterGroup.com. I'm Dick Keenan, Keller Williams Realty.